Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Friends, welcome to Sattek BD. Today I will show on this video how to set up Canon printer machine for A4 size sticker paper. If you print normally in sticker paper, printing not coming good quality, so before printing you have to setting your Canon machine. So I will be show how to set up Canon machine for A4 size sticker printing. First here you can see this display and you have to click first this star option. Then you can see this option here. Because video is something to happen. So after a star, first you have to click here this star, then you have to click here presence on this option, presence, then select here paper setting, then click here down arrow mark, then click here multi-purpose tray default, this option, then select from here use preset, then click register. Then you have to select from here A4 paper size, then next, and you have to select from here heavy 3 on this option, heavy 3, then click OK. Again you have to click OK, then click close. Canon machine setup finish. Then I have to go for printing and you have to setting here something before printing. Open your printing paper, then click from here print, then click properties, then paper source option, then click from here multi-purpose tray, then OK and print, click on print, and you have to keep your paper here, the back side cover you have open, and you have to keep your paper here outside tray, then click print, I keep print, see the printing how it is, very good quality. If you print your sticker paper before printing like this setup, and you will be get good quality printing. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button for more update videos, and I'll be again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.